What is up, guys? This is Chris, aka No Risk, No Premium, and welcome back to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, how about that 425 and how about that 430 today? Huh? Now, pardon me. I'm sorry. Look, 424 and some change in the pre-market, but we held what level? We held 425. That was the dead giveaway. Before we even opened, we saw we were trying to reclaim 425. We instantly knew to get calls out of the gate. But what did we do today very well? We bought the pullback and we didn't chase. We didn't chase. That was fun. Then we went right up to where? Okay, 429.41. Sorry, I'm about fucking 59 cents off. Goddamn shoot me. All right. Sorry, buddy. You couldn't get your 430. My apologies. All right. But look, levels working to a T. Zoom out. What do we have going on here? Okay. Again, trend line, talked about it on the sermon yesterday, 200-day moving average. Okay. I think market is going to need to cool off at some point. Okay. Possible retrace back to the 5MA would be likely because whenever we get super extended off the 5, we come back to it. If you did a simple breakout, right, from the swing of the breakout of the consolidation right here, just a simple retrace. Let's see, hey, where's a 50% retrace? Would be what? 423, the golden zone in between there, and 419. So look, I think between 420, which was the initial breakout, okay, and 423, we could get a pullback in that area and it'd be healthy. Now, remember, tomorrow we have anticipation for Wednesday's FOMC minutes. So usually tomorrow, we're not as volatile. We get a move in the morning, usually some typical chop that leads up into that data. The data comes out Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. Now, you know Wednesday is going to be a goddamn shit show of a chop fest. So you know my rule, I don't trade it. But for tomorrow, interesting spot here. I thought we might get a pullback today. Didn't quite happen. I mean, it did overnight. Then we went long, right? So we did what the homework told us to do. But let me just remove this. But now we have, I think we might possibly get a test of this 431 tomorrow. Okay. And then don't forget, right? Don't forget 431, 200 MA on the daily, 433, 50 MA on the weekly. Quarterly 5 is at 432. So 431, 432, 433, huge levels, as well as that trend line. Okay. So when you get to a major resistance and supply area, which we are at, you look at the put side. All right. It usually doesn't go through on the first knock. So I think tomorrow overnight, we might actually tonight overnight get some buying pressure and get us up above to maybe then tap a level to come on down and retrace. It would just be healthy. Now, obviously, the levels are still the same. 430 to 433 is still a short. Okay. But now from a long standpoint, I'm not too interested in longing 425. I want to see what happens there. I would be more interested in a 419 to 421 long. Now just want to see the reaction at that level first, though, before I do anything. So guys, levels are still the same up above. We finally pretty much filled that gap to 429.06. Poke our head above it a tad, sold off a little bit into the close. So now do we get our final retracement, which would be healthy, right? I'm looking 420 to 422 as a retracement. Underneath that, you got 420, 417, still huge level, 200 EMA, and that initial breakout of the range. Underneath there, really simple, guys. We're going to sell to about 415, 412, 409, 407 underneath. Above, if we get freaky, easy to see, it's 434. Then pretty much a clear path to 440. Okay. Don't know if that happens. Got a lot of stuff above that we got to take into account, though. All right. So other than that, guys, hope you banked today. Hope the homework helps. Get your goddamn levels right. Get your homework done. I'll see you bright and early in the pre-market. Peace.